Lord Aniruddha helps the devotee engage in devotional service by dint of his inexhaustible energy. Just as heat is the source of material energy, the inspiration of Lord Aniruddha is the energy by which one can engage in executing devotional service. So this Aniruddha is represented as the sun god or sun planet. We were reading earlier. The predominating deity of the sun is an expansion of Lord Aniruddha. So Lord Aniruddha is the predominating deity of the sun. Aniruddha is pleased, he can help the mind engage in Krishna's service. So we offer prayers to the sun god who is actually in effect Lord Aniruddha, Lord Vishnu. And we offer puja and pat and arti, and we stand up to receive the Lord in this form as the rising sun. And people offer water and various prayers of respect, because the sun is rising every day, and we can greet that Lord, and seeing that rising sun is actually Lord Aniruddha, the sun god, who's controlling the mind and senses and giving that purity. He gives the purity and fixation of mind so we can engage in the service of the Lord. Nice phrase Prabhupada used. The inspiration of Lord Aniruddha is the energy by which one can engage in executing bhakti. Very interesting concept Prabhupada is explaining. That there's inspiration. Inspiration comes from Lord Aniruddha. Lord Aniruddha is he's in charge of the mind. He's the Lord of psychic action, thinking, feeling, and willing. So we pray to when we see the sun, we don't see, it's 3-day sun planet, although we can say that. So here comes Aniruddha. He's one of his expansions, an expansion of Lord Aniruddha. O Vishnu, Lord Aniruddha, please be merciful unto me. You are the Supreme, you are the Lord. Please help me with the energy I need to engage in devotional service. Please give me inspiration. That inspiration is an energy. If I'm inspired, then I can do inspired with an idea or inspired with a service. Then that inspiration fuels me and drives me with so much energy and power and determination and potency by which I can then engage in Krishna's service, devotional service. This is an ever-present experience of God. We're experiencing God every day in the rising sun, bestowing His mercy upon us. He's maintaining all the various planets by controlling the rainfall. And the sun god is also called Purna, or complete, because millions of years the heat rays are emanating from the sun nourish the earth. Paramahamsas, they are completely pure and cleansed persons. When there is sufficient sunshine, the mind remains clear and transparent. In other words, the sun god, Aniruddha, helps the mind of the living entity become situated on the platform of Paramahamsa.